What is up, guys? This is your boy Pedro, who right now I'm headed down to Vegas Elite Riders group ride. Should be pretty fucking interesting since we have a fucking storm coming in. If you can see it in front of me, yeah, it's dark as fuck. There's a fucking storm coming in. Oh shit, I can feel the rain already. Damn it. As you guys can see, blue, then the storm, and I'm going straight into it, damn it. But it's Thursday, so I'm showing up to the Vegas group ride. I should probably put on a sweater when I get there because I'm pretty sure it's... Alright guys, bad news. I'm riding straight into the storm. It looks pretty intense right now. Oh shit, it's already pouring. God damn. This shit hurts. Damn. I came right into the storm. Oh, it started to come faster, damn it. I need to fucking switch into this shit. Oh fuck, here we go. Alright. Damn it. I know, right? Look at this. Oh, it's raining. Ain't ever gonna stop me from riding. Dun, dun, bum. Oh my fucking god, this is crazy. Oh, I need to put my phone away and my camera away. Oh, I rode the wrong fucking day to put a tank top on. This water hurts. Oh, feels like small little needles just being thrown at you. Alright, for the most part, I got away from it. But I'm pretty sure it's about to catch us up over here. It's not raining as much over here, but I know it's coming. I guess it's right here. I didn't know that. I hope this is a spot. I'm in the right spot, right?
For real.
Shit.
Nice bike, bro.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, 07.
Yeah, the 07.
My name's Thomas.
Pedro.
Pedro?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen you a couple of times.
Oh yeah? I guess this is everything right here. It's a weird little meetup. What's up, Martina?
Pedro.
This shit does not want to record. What the hell? Alright guys, as you guys can see, the storm is catching up to us quick. We're gonna be caught in this rain. There's no escaping it. Monsoon weather. Well, that's a good way to start. What's up, Martina? Yeah. Don't scare her like that. A good amount of people came out. We got Bree right there. What's up, Bree? Yeah.
I have this exact location now.
All right. All right, guys. I got caught in the storm. It's fucking pouring, and this shit hurts. I'm gonna split up from the group, and I'm gonna just head home. Okay, it's gonna be like this all night. It's raining a lot. God damn, I'm soaked. There's no way I can show you guys right now until I get home or until I stop, and I'm fucking soaked. Tell me why I had deja vu about this. Get there